Hello everyone. For my video, I'm going to have my roommate demonstrate shoulder flexion for us. But before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and state the average range of motion that shoulder flexion usually lies on from the textbook. So it says here that it is 130 to 180 degrees. Now that's just the average range of motion. In the example video given to us, the woman states clearly that shoulder flexion can lie anywhere between 0 to 180 degrees depending on the individual. I downloaded a goniometer app, but I ordered a real one last night because I'm so frustrated with all the goniometer apps that are offered for many reasons that I'll describe towards the end of this video. So now I'm going to have my roommate demonstrate shoulder flexion for us. As you can see, it occurs in the sagittal plane, and we're trying to make sure that he's not straining himself, he's not forcing any of the movements, he's comfortable. So now I'm going to start using my goniometer app. I'm going to go ahead and tap the screen in order for it to start working. As you can see, every time I tilt the phone, it's going to measure the degrees in the bottom right. So in a way, the tilt of the phone would act as the moving arm. So now I'm going to go ahead and place it in the axis of motion, which I believe would be close to the glenohumeral joint. Okay, and we want it to match up with this lateral epicondyle right here. And the other portion is the medial epicondyle right there. So I'm going to try to get my phone to get as close to that ridge that I see as possible so it can give me the degrees. So now I'm going to tilt this phone along the sagittal plane, kind of mimicking the movement that the arm made when it performed that shoulder flexion. So here I go. It's really tricky to do. Match it up to the lateral epicondyle. Okay, right there. And over here, it says that it's about maybe 172 degrees. Now, for the reasons why I hate this goniometer app. First of all, I try to save my value of 172 degrees by tapping the screen. However, the goniometer app is sensitive and it gave me 179 degrees, which wouldn't be an issue with an actual goniometer. It would have never done that. And I also hate how it doesn't show the actual values on the screen. It just automatically gives me the degrees, which I guess is convenient, but not for the purposes of this class, especially when I have to demonstrate that I know how to read the units on my own. Sure, I know that this right here is 45. I know that up here would be 90 degrees, but it's not very reliable. And I also hate how it glitches. It goes from 66 degrees to 110 degrees, which is really bad, especially when someone's range of motion could be between those areas. So not very reliable. So yeah, that's everything. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns or tips, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching.